minimal
the mayor.
back to normal.
So yeah, let's see how good it is. Let's see if it can actually kill people. Like every single item in the game cannot kill anyone. You know. Perfect. Yes. That guy just in Mexico? Canada walking for a while, bro. Hey guys, hold on, man. Just have a little bit I have a pretty big rash on my butt, so that's why I've been acting a little bit down in my last few videos. But I think I'm acting good in this video. Okay, I'm just gonna round it up here because like I just wanted to make a really cool video. So bye everybody.